Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to stop scammers from calling your phone. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to stop scammers from calling your phone. First, just click in the phone icon. After that, click in the three dots and then click on settings. After that, click block numbers and then block calls from unknown numbers. Just turn it on. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to stop scammers from calling your phone. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.